Luna's Enchanted Journey, the magic of friendship. Welcome! Tonight, I invite you into a magical world filled with starlight, where courage and friendship shine brightly. Let me take you on a journey into the heart of an enchanted adventure. Luna's Garden and the First Encounter. In a cozy American neighborhood on a cool evening, we meet Luna, a brave, curious girl enjoying her time in the garden. As she played, Luna noticed a sparkling light near an old willow tree. Intrigued by the mysterious glimmer, she moved closer and discovered that the light was transforming into something extraordinary. Before her eyes, the shimmering glow became a delightful little fairy who introduced herself as Twinkle, the guardian of the Starlight Forest. With a gentle smile, Twinkle explained that she had come to invite Luna on a magical adventure, a journey to discover the true power of friendship. Stepping into the Starlight Forest. Hand in hand with Twinkle, Luna stepped into the mystical Starlight Forest. The forest was alive with wonder. The trees whispered ancient secrets, and the soft murmur of a nearby stream filled the air with a calming melody. Every step into this enchanted realm felt like a new discovery, as if nature itself was inviting Luna to explore its hidden treasures. The mystery of the missing melody, deep within the forest. Among a carpet of dusty leaves, Luna and Twinkle came upon a delicate music box that glimmered softly in the fading light. Luna observed it carefully and realized that something was amiss. The music box seemed to be missing a crucial piece, as if its magic was incomplete. Twinkle revealed that this music box was not only a beautiful object, but a symbol of unity and friendship. Its true enchantment would only be unlocked once the missing notes, hidden in the hearts of friends, were found. With renewed determination, the duo set off to uncover these lost pieces of melody, the journey, and new friendships. As their journey continued, Luna and Twinkle encountered many charming inhabitants of the forest. They met Orion, a wise and calm owl whose deep eyes reflected the secrets of the night. Nutty, an energetic squirrel whose playful spirit brought laughter to every corner of the woods. And Bella, a joyful rabbit whose lively hops seemed to carry the promise of hope and warmth. Each new friend shared a part of the magic, and together they discovered that their combined hearts held the missing piece needed to complete the music box's melody. With every step and every shared smile, Luna felt the true power of unity and love growing stronger among them. The magical moment and celebration. Finally, after overcoming challenging paths and solving delightful puzzles along the way, the group reached a mystical cave near a vibrant waterfall and a radiant rainbow. Here, all the missing notes were gathered. With the notes united, the music box burst into life, filling the forest with a brilliant display of light and tranquility. In that luminous moment, every creature in the forest shared in the magic of their friendship. Luna learned that the true enchantment was not merely in the music, but in the bond of togetherness, love, and support shared by friends. Message and farewell. As our journey draws to a close under a starry sky, remember that true magic lives in the unity of hearts. Luna's enchanted journey reminds us that together, even the greatest challenges can be overcome. Thank you for joining this magical adventure. May the power of friendship guide you wherever you go.